Welcome to our In a Voiceless Heart channel. I don't know whose puppy this is. It's been coming to my room sitting here for the past 3 to 4 days, and its owner hasn't even come looking for it. And I'm also worried about whether giving the vaccine twice will have any effect or not. It has already bitten B5 people, and I am taking it for a rabies vaccine. Am I doing the right thing? Please comment. And I'm also worried about whether giving the vaccine twice will have any effect or not. If anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. I sincerely request all of you. I pray to God that even if the vaccine has already been given, nothing bad happens. When will my turn come? Let's see what the doctor's doing, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, did you guys see? This puppy is bleeding backside. What happened to this puppy? Oh my God. And I am going now, taking the puppy to the medical. stay with me now. What do you all think? Please comment and let me know if I can keep this puppy